This is me, and this is one of the most iconic cartoon styles of all time. Can just two AI tools really turn this into this? Today we're putting AI to the ultimate Lizzie test. This is Can AI, the series where we see what AI is actually capable of. Today we'll be using ChatGPT and Hedra AI. Hedra AI is a tool that claims it can take a still image and turn it into a full body animated character. There are three things we're going to be testing. 1, the Lizzie test. Does it give that Lizzie McGuire style? 2, the me test. Does it look like me? And 3, the animation test. Does it look like a real animation? Shout out to It's That Lady Deb for inspiring this video, as I saw your video on TikTok and had to try it out myself. So right now I'm on ChatGPT and we're going to be using the model 4o to create the character. So what I'm going to do is, you just saw me take a photo of myself. Now turn this into the iconic Lizzie McGuire inspired cartoon character. I'm gonna fast forward through me writing the prompts, iterating, yapping, but I did want to mention that under the hood, ChatGPT passes the prompt to DALL, which is OpenAI's image model that turns these words into pictures, etc. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I'm not ready. I see the puff. Childhood me is literally screaming. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna have my butterfly earrings. Oh, it does. Okay, I don't think they could see the butterfly, but that's okay. Oh, that's my necklace. Oh my goodness. So I'm on Hedra. This is my first time using Hedra, so we are going to figure it out together. Create engaging content featuring the best generative image, video, and audio in your personal AI studio. Okay, let's sign up. What would you like to create? Let's create a video. So let's upload our start frame. Upload. What am I consenting to? What? I hereby consent to the use of my image and voice recording to generate biometric data? I should not consent, but here I am. So I just uploaded the image. And so what we're gonna do now is add the audio script. So I wanna do one that's just like plain, and then Lizzie McGuire, she had some like attitude to her, so I want to do one with attitude, so let's do it. Hey y'all, it's Maya Bello. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I didn't see you hit the subscribe button. I have all day. I'll just wait until you hit subscribe. How rude. Okay. We'll just go with that. So let's trim this. Okay, remove background noise. Sure. Let's add to video. I like it. Okay. I want my character to wave in the beginning. And I also want her to have some attitude and spunk. I'm excited. Let's do it. There are 10 generations in the free queue. Free wait time, 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. Am I doing it twice now? Oh, did I do it twice? That's so confusing. Maybe I can pause one. Library? Okay. We're gonna try it again. Yeah, so I still don't know what happened that first go around, but basically I'm just gonna fast forward through this because I'm just trying it again, since for some reason the first time it didn't work. Okay, it's loading this time. Y'all, I don't know what happened before, but it looks like it's queued. Okay, we still have some credits. How are y'all liking this Can AI series? Yeah, I'm having fun with it. Basically, I test these different tools by myself, but I'm like, what if I made it a YouTube series? So I'm playing around with that. So yeah, let me know. There's a lot of fun videos, 60% there I have planned. So I think I'll give another teaser for a video that I'm working on right now. But it's so interesting to think about what AI can and can't do. Like making a cartoon style Lizzie. And shout out to the animators. Shout out to Lizzie McGuire, Disney, and the whole team behind that, because like, yeah, it takes a person with that great idea. Oh my gosh! Hey y'all, it's Maya Bello. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I didn't see you hit the subscribe button. I have all day. I'll just wait until you hit subscribe. How rude. Okay, so let's do our final ratings. For the Lizzie test, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. So it missed some details that I love. Like I love her crop top. I love her orange like platform shoes. Also felt like it didn't really feel like a sketch at some points. Like it drew in a lot of details in her ears and we didn't even need all that. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10. For the me test, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. I think I would play around with like maybe deepening the hair color and the skin color a little bit, like playing around with that. Like I don't know if you would see that drawing and then think of me, but I think it's really good overall. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10. And then for the animation test, I'll give it a 4 out of 10. I just feel like the lip syncing didn't match as well as I was hoping for it, but I'm interested to see how that improves. Also the extra arm, it always just like throws me off when I see that. And then the eyelid as well, that was a little bit disappointing. And I could probably play around and keep generating and stuff like that, but I kind of wanted to see how it worked out the gate. Yay, you made it to the end. Let us know your favorite cartoon in the comments below.